Hello everyone, this video will try to answer the frequently asked questions about the ASCPi exam for becoming an internationally certified medical laboratory scientist. The answers that I will be providing here will be based on the documents that I have downloaded in the ASCPi website and also personal experience. This will not be all-inclusive, and so if ever you still have questions in your minds, I highly suggest that you visit their science, including medical technology, medical laboratory science, clinical laboratory science, and biomedical laboratory science. With completed medical laboratory science training, you'll be eligible to take the ASCPi exam. Whether you are a board passer or not yet a board passer, you will be able to apply for the ASCPi exam. How much is the exam right now? It's at $200. What to expect in the exam? It is unlike our local board exam because it's computer-based using the computer adaptive testing method, wherein if you answer time within the 3 months period that will be given to you, you'll just need to schedule your appointment, and there you go. You can take the exam anytime you're comfortable. Will you know the results immediately? Yes. Your preliminary test results, like pass or fail, will appear on the computer screen once you hit the finish button in your computers. Score to pass the exam according to the document that we can download in the ASCPi website is minimum passing score of 400 and the highest attainable score is 999. In this slide, you are seeing the international certification process in an overview. Step number 1 is we have to determine your examination category. The category that we are referring to in this video would be the medical laboratory scientist category. And the route that we are usually using would be the route number 1. Gather required documentation to meet the eligibility requirements. Complete the online application and pay for the application fee, which will not be refundable. Step number 3, when you receive the notification to take the examination, you will be given a 3-month examination period. So step number 4 is you have to schedule your appointment. Step number 5, you take your examination, and after completing the questions, you will see your preliminary pass or fail result on the computer screen. Step number 6, you will be receiving an email notification to view your final examination score report. And step number 7 is just receiving your certificate in approximately 6 to 8 weeks after receiving your passing score report. Here is a list of the documents that will be our ASCP Board of Certification. I also suggest that you have to learn and understand the principles rather than just relying on recalls. Learn and understand the basic principles for each subject that will be asked in our exam. To study, you will be needing study materials. So if ever you're looking for study materials for ASCPi, there is also a list provided by the website. I will also upload the link to that. But if ever you still have access to your local board reviewers, those are also okay when it comes to the basic principles, and you just need to add other reviewers that will enhance your critical thinking and also ability to visualize some pictures such as the cell stages in hematology. Since I'm one of the authors of Checkpoint Notes, I highly suggest that you check out our notes. These also may help you for these types of exams. By the way, I am offering an online review class for 2019, online ASCPi class for 2019. These are the things that you have to know. And if ever you have questions, kindly send me through my fan page or my Facebook account. If ever that you are still looking for a study companion, I highly suggest that you try the lovece.com. Personally, I use that to practice myself for the questions. So here is where lovece.com. By one question. Alright, start the game. The answers correctly, it will still ask you questions until you get 5 items wrong. That will end the game. So here, which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the bone marrow biopsy specimen? So for example, we'll try to answer letter B, for example. Let's see if we are correct or we are wrong. Alright, so answer is correct. And so there will be a feedback. You can read that. There's a rationalization. There's even the reference book. And then we can move on to the next question. Alright, so that's it. That will also help you practice your knowledge. And so I highly suggest that you visit this website. And if you have budget, then you can enroll in their classes. But again, I am also offering my own review classes for the ASCPi. This is their website. You can see a lot of information here. So you can just read everything here. If you still have questions, they will be offering a lot of tips here and advices. And if you have a YouTube account, you can actually look for this video. This is accessible through their website. This is gonna teach you how to apply for the examination itself. Alright, the last question will be, can I pass the ASCPi? Of course, with God's help and your perseverance, everything will be possible. So I wish you good luck and God bless on your endeavors. I hope you make it. I hope you'll be successful in becoming a medical laboratory scientist internationally certified. God bless everyone and see you on my next video.